back to my channel. Have you always lived your sensitivity as a curse, especially at work? Well, in this video, I'll show you 5 tips to make your sensitivity your leadership superpower. I am Houda Charmoille. I'm a certified life coach since 2016. I worked with sensitive and highly sensitive women to help them design the life and business they love. I'm myself highly sensitive, and that's what I managed to create for myself. Let's get to it. Tip number 1 is a mindset shift. What you need is a mindset shift. I know it's easier said than done, but that's what you need to practice. You need to keep repeating it to yourself until you can feel it, until it enters in your mind and in your heart and in your body. Your sensitivity is your gift. Your sensitivity is your gift. It means that you are more connected to yourself, that you are more connected to your emotions, and that you have a more intuitive sense of empathy. It is truly your superpower. People do trainings to develop this kind of empathy and intuition, and you do it without an effort. Embrace it. Be grateful for it. Start seeing your sensitivity as your built-in super tool. You are gifted. And here's a tip to practice that. Write down all these affirmations and read them as daily affirmations until you believe it. That's how the brain works. If you repeat something enough times, it will start believing in it. Your thoughts will generate emotions, and emotions create actions. It's this simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be right there interacting with you. If you want to take your work further and uncover your inner strengths, I highly recommend to try out and check my free master coaching session. I won't say more, I'll let you do it. Just test it, it's free, you have nothing to lose. Just try it. The worst you can have is one aha moment, I promise. Stay tuned for more videos on emotional intelligence. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to make sure you don't miss out on my new release. In the meantime, here are some other videos that you can check. Have a fabulous day and fantastic week ahead. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.